Hey, surprise vlog by yours truly. So today is somewhat my errand day. Today is where I will change the oil out of my car. So yeah, basically I'm outside. I'm already at the service center. But let me tell you the story of why I'm vlogging right now. There's this one gas station that is near in my town. And the reason why I go there, even though there has a lot of service center in my town, is because I already know the people that are working there. And I've been going there in and out for the past 5 years, including the years where I got my first car, which is the Mazda 3 208. I know it's a little bit too specific, but I really love my first car. So I went there a few hours earlier and went straight to the lounge, where I was met by the teller and asked me, "What can I do for you?" And I said, "I want to service my car, but I only want to change oil and oil filter because I already brought my own oil." And the teller said, "What's the brand of the oil?" And I mentioned the brand name, and the teller suddenly said that we don't accept that kind of service anymore. If you have your own oil, it should be Shell. And I was like, that's kind of bit the purpose of you allowing me to service my car without oil, blah blah blah. So basically, long story short, they don't allow third party oil or second party oil, whatever party the oil is. Like, they don't allow other oil than Shell. And to kid you not, if I remember correctly, Shell's oil doesn't perform that good, and it is quite expensive. Okay, so my apologies for the sudden cut, because I was told that the service of my car is already finished and I'm just waiting for the teller to come here and issue me my receipt and pay the service. So where was I? So basically, the price of the full package of Shell's oil, including labor, etc., and oil filter, is right around 5,000 plus, if I'm not mistaken. So, and I was like, I'm trying to save money by buying my own oil, because they overprice their oil by a lot. And as I said earlier, it doesn't perform that much, because I've tested all of their oil, like from semi-synthetic to fully synthetic, and sometimes it doesn't give the performance that they're claiming. Maybe for larger cars, but for like city cars or subcompact cars or compact cars, it's not. That's why some people pick other brands like Magwan, Idemitsu, and other stuff. So I was somewhat kind of pissed off, but at the same time I understand, because maybe they're losing money by just servicing the car and not using their oil, because I think they generate their income in the service center through oil sales, which I understand. But it's kind of pissed off on my part as a consumer, of course, because I've been going there for way longer. So I was like, I'm kind of sad. So I went around in the next town and found a new service center where I think I will be going in my next change oil. And the catch is, the price is competitive. It's not cheap. It's reasonable. So that's why I'm be going here again. So if you guys are wondering where this is Uni Oil Service Center. So there, I said it. Okay, so as I was saying, everything went well. If you want to have a good service with competitive price, go here at Extreme Express Change Oil in Uni Oil, right around Cainta. It's near STI. So I highly recommend this service center because it's cool. So yeah. So anyway, I'm heading home. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll be on the street, so I'll be shutting this down though. Bye-bye.